Hi everyone, welcome to Gallant IAS. So in this series of Let's Go 120 Plus, we'll be solving some of the important mock questions. Thereby, you'll be able to revise your basic concepts and also it will give you an edge when you are doing your prelims 2021. So let's see the question for today. The question reads, which of the following are the most likely places to find the red panda in its natural habitat? 1. Singalila National Park. 2. Neora Valley National Park. 3. Ascot Wildlife Sanctuary. And 4. Kanha National Park. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 3 and 4 only, and 1 and 4 only. Yes, so with regard to red panda, you have to keep in mind, see, when we deal with protected areas, it is very important that you should learn about different species that are dominantly found or that are naturally found in these protected areas. Now, when we talk about red panda, you should know that red panda is naturally found in the temperate forest of the Himalayas, in particular to the eastern Himalayas. They are native to the eastern Himalayas, that is, they can be found in the northeastern states, some of the northeastern states, as well as the southwest parts of China. So with regard to red panda, keep in mind they are found where? They are naturally found in the eastern Himalayas as well as the southwest parts of China. Now, red panda is an arboreal animal. Okay, it is an arboreal animal and it is feeding mainly on bamboo, and it has got it is very crucial for the survival of the subalpine coniferous forest of the Himalayas. Now, when we talk, we have seen that red panda is found in the eastern Himalayas as well as southwestern China. So, when we talk about the protected areas that you can see in India with regard to red panda, or the states that where you can see red panda in its natural habitat, there are some of the states, that is Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, as well as the northern parts of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so these are the areas where you can see red panda in its natural habitat. Now we have seen these are the states. So when we talk about the protected areas, which all protected areas will come where you can see red panda? So in Sikkim we have the Kanchenjunga National Park. Then in West Bengal we are having the Neora Valley National Park as well as the Singalila National Park. And in Arunachal Pradesh we are having the Namdava National Park, which is also very much famous for the flying squirrel. So yes, now you know that where red panda is found in its natural habitat in all these protected areas. Now come to the question. So in the question, see, if you know that Kanha National Park is situated in Madhya Pradesh, and red panda is a species which you can see in the northeastern, some of the northeastern states or in the northeastern side of India, then you can easily eliminate the option with Kanha National Park. That is the options containing 4. Why? Because red panda is naturally seen in the northeastern states, and since Kanha National Park is situated in Madhya Pradesh, you can eliminate that options containing Madhya Pradesh or Kanha National Park. So here you can eliminate option C and option D. Okay, why? Because both are having 4 in the option. So you can eliminate C as well as D. The remaining is A and B, where you have 2 in common, which means Neora Valley National Park is there in your answer. It must be there in your final answer. So if you know Neora Valley National Park is situated in West Bengal and Singalila National Park is also situated in West Bengal, then the job is done. Why? Because it is more safer to move with an option containing these both national parks, because both are situated in West Bengal. If you know Neora, we have arrived that Neora Valley National Park, which is situated in West Bengal, is there in your answer. And if you know Singalila National Park is also situated in West Bengal, then definitely you can go with Singalila rather than moving to Ascot, which is situated in Uttarakhand. So this is how you can apply your educated guess or apply the elimination strategy. So here your answer is option A, 1 and 2 only. That is, among the 4 national parks among the 4 options which is given, Sangalila National Park and Neora Valley National Park, both situated in the state of West Bengal. There you can find red panda in its natural habitat. So the most appropriate answer for this particular question is option A, 1 and 2 only. So that's it. See you.